Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to add audio to Canva website. Alright, so first of all just open your Canva design. Alright, now go on the left side, click on apps, and from here go to search Canva apps and here search embed. Alright, now click on this option embed. As you can see, I have already installed this app in my Canva design. Make sure you have installed it. After that, as you can see, here are different types of embed you can use. Like if you want to put your audio link from YouTube to play on your website, you can select YouTube, Spotify, SoundCloud, Instagram, Pinterest, Typeform. So I'm going to go with Spotify. Okay, as you can see. Now just open your Spotify and from here copy your link, click on this edit link option and put your link over here. Now after that click on done. As you can see, my song is added. Now wait for some moments. Double click on the bar to interact. As you can see, you can save on it or you can play it. So that's how you can do it. Now if you want to publish it on your website, your Canva website, just go on top right corner, click on share. Here click on see all, click on website, enter your website name. You can use your custom domain if you have. Now after that click on publish. Alright, it is preparing your design. Wait for a few moments. Now as you can see, my website is live. Click on view your website and now your audio is playing perfectly. So that's it for the video. Thanks for watching.